Example, find three numbers in the ratio of 2:3:4, the sum of whose square is 725. Answer, here ratio is given 2:3:4. This equal to, we have to write it as 2x:3x:4x. The sum of whose square is 725. Therefore, 2x whole square plus 3x whole square plus 4x whole square equal to 725. Therefore, 2 square is 4x square, 3 square is 9x square, plus 4 square 16x square is equal to 725. Adding these three, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 16 is 29x square equal to 725. X square equal to 725 divided by 29. This 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 12 remains 145, 29 fives are 145. Therefore, x square equal to 25, x equal to square root of 25. Therefore, square root of 25 is 5. X value is 5. Therefore, put x equal to 5 in 2x, 3x, 4x, 2x, 3x and 4x. Now 2x is equal to 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. Second one 3x, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Third one is 4x, 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, those numbers are 10, 15, 20.